Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers. Pen crowns vision. Today's topic is Dear Body, I love you because. May I now welcome Mrs. N. Sumati to recite today's poetry. Please, ma'am, welcome.
Thank you, Brinda ma'am. It's my pleasure. Dear body, I love you because. By R. Gayatri. You embrace me by uniqueness. You always trying to keep me alive with gentleness. You make me a whole as a living soul. You breathe without rest while I sleep for rest. You beat my illness when I feel sick. You make others recognize me easily when they need to identify. You fulfill my wishes. Always you are my best treasure. You make me strong, active, and energetic forever. I love you, dear. Mrs. A. P. Manikavalli Kannadasan. Dear body, I love you because you gave me the shape, helped me to function from the one cell to like this moving wall. My thoughts scattered you, but you managed well. My unpredicted mind collapsed you the worst. Like a mother, you tolerated all the tortures. With you, I will win. Without you, I am in vain. Mrs. Janaki. Dear my body, I love you because we, members of same house, bylaws, meaningful relationship and no withdraws. Merely with you I feel tears and guffaws. Though you show me the best path, I don't care you in search of wealth. I carelessly don't understand the life math that you present with me till my death. Change of lifestyle, use of technology, continuously break our own psychology. I think that you trouble me bodily. Oh, I realize it's me troubles you thoughtlessly. Till my death, you are the only companion. When you and me truly love, no bad will happen. Mrs. S. Prabha. Dear body, I love you because you help me to nourish with healthy dream. You help me to visualize the viridity of universe. You help me to feed the needy. You help me to fly like feather. You help me to talk flourishing thoughts. You help me to heal the wound with your soul. You help me to listen the greedy of nature. Finally, you help me to realize everything is equal in the world of Almighty. Mrs. Sumati. Dear body, I love you because you're so beautiful. You're so cooperative. You're so flexible. Dear body, I love you because you are strong and worthy. You are loyal to me, even I mistreat you. Dear body, I'm sorry for treating you mindlessly as a burden instead as a gift. Dear body, thank you for all you do for me. Dear body, I love you. I accept you. I cherish you. Mrs. R. Vijayashanti. Dear body, I love you because the real soulmate of every human. Really, you deserve this word. Because you control me always, you are my power station, my blood and flesh. You fulfill my needs, you guide me, you always follow me and take care of me. You protect me and cheer me. You carry my everything till my last breath. You are the only place I have to live in. You are my partner, my lover, my better half. Amazed to see you follow Sati. Udankattai Yes, when the breath stops you, decomposes yourself. Dear body, I love you ever because if I will take care of you, you will sure take care of me, dear partner. Mrs. G. Sarala. Dear body, I love you because, oh my dear body, unto my mom's custody, from the spark time of my birth, you've been mirth. Moderately, at my adolescent, the physical changes led me innocent, sprouted me immense love onto you, as you cared and secured with no health issue. Diet as per mom and granny, exercise and meditation made you branny. To protect thyself from obsess or underweight, as you are my soulmate, but after trapped my wedlock, concentrating on you made me block, as I have been headed as mom, irregular diet and mental strain made you harm, resulting a life frame to quantum. Oh, dear body, I love you because you understood me and no one could ascertain how much I owe you. Miss K. Amrita. Dear body, I love you because you are my identity. You are always with me when nobody was. You work for me 24/7 till the end without expecting any returns. But I give the best gift to honor you, that is exercise. It will make you even more lively and healthy. You are my school where organs are teachers. Every organ teaches me something new. Also, every organs share true friendship that they help each other whenever needed. Body, you and mind are really best friends. When any one of you hurt, you both suffer. I respect your friendship by being relaxing and happy as much as I can. Finally, thank you so much, dear Mrs. B. Sheeran. Dear body, I love you because in the recent years I realize how much I have shunned you. I'm ever insensible what is good for you. You are a magical box where my soul lies. I'm oblivious towards you so much, often shirking food and sleep, at times sobbing a lot and deep, as I have worries in bunch. You mend me when I get a wound. All your inner organs are working perfectly. Being a couch potato, I'm eating improperly. I won't give you rest when you need. In spite of all my negligences, you build me strong and healthy. You make me young and glowy. You protect me from diseases. My dear body, I love you because you love me too. Mrs. M. V. Shankari. My dear body, I love you because you are a puzzle with approximately 600 muscle, total of 213 bones and around 7 trillion nerves. Of all the machines, the most complicated is a human body. Each organ is assigned a task just like the employers of a company, whereas brain takes the entire authority like the MD of that company. The most special body belongs to a woman. It is where God lives. Since it creates and nurtures another life, both inside for 10 months and outside for rest of the life. Mrs. Alice P. My dear body, I love you because you are my unique shadow. In my pretty life meadow, I love you without any cause. Obesity makes me so sad, but I am healthy and glad. Each part of the body perfect united together brings respect. You made me cheerful ever, to lead kindly with power. Stars rays from conception, reaches grave in destruction. Mrs. Princeline Joan White. Dear body, I love you because you are a wonder which owns of many mysteries. Perfect meaning for my ultimate existence. Millions of cells die within seconds. Millions are born again and rejuvenate. Effortlessly synthesize proteins, import raw materials, transport goods, operations of garbage and disposal system. A rigid dictatorship runs on inside. Countless power stations and tireless purifiers, host of responsibilities without holidays, fortress with troops to attack invaders, numerous functions I unaware of all works. All key roles are played with enthusiasm. I dwell in my world of miraculous kingdom. I love you more than you love me. Till end, you are the only one who stays with me. Miss S. Sahai Samita. Dear body, I love you because, dear God, thanks for blessing me a beautiful body with uniqueness. My hands do work for my mother with no tiredness. I love my body for my beautiful smile. I love my body for my charming face. My brain was so grateful for thinking more creatives. No matter what others says about my body, whether you white or black, I love you forever. We first love ourselves with kind heart. Mrs. M. Uma Selvi. Dear body, I love you because I love you with all my heart, body and soul. You make my life worth live. You always keep my mind in positive thoughts. You are my best friend. You make me young and glowy. You identify my inner drive and build sustainable motivation. You reduce my depression, hypertension, and variety of other stress-related disorders. I love you, body. Mrs. Sumati Natarajan. Dear body, I love you because you are my life capsule containing 5 elements. And with your support, I am able to breathe, walk, see, speak, hear, and run my life. I surrender my will to your wellness, else illness will capsize my mind. I salute you for accepting my aspirations, attitude, and acquaintance. I honor you as you are flexible. I possess sound mind because of you. I thank you, my dear, for your understanding and cooperation. My gratitude is abound for you as you ward me off from the deadly diseases. Mrs. B. Deepa. Dear body, I love you because you are the temple of the Almighty. As my warmth breathing is the incense, body and soul have signed His treaty. Sometimes I miss to take care of you due to the worldly pressures. I repent for creating you the situation to boo-hoo. I realize that you are my treasure. Kindly cooperate with me in future. I will nurture you as per your requirement. Since I am a simple creature, pardon me, please don't complain to our Lord in silence. Though you are my temporary shelter, I need you, dear. I am not selfish. Please perceive my wish. Mrs. R. Erilarasi. Dear body, I love you because human body, a wonderful machine, performs several functions, works well together in harmony without stopping for a second. Hence, it's a valuable weapon. Eyes help me to see with glee. Nose helps me to breathe and sense the smell. Ears play a crucial role to hear. Flexible tongue responds with cheer. And the skin provides a protective barrier. Every college is controlled by a dean. Likewise, every college is controlled by a dean. Likewise, our vital organs are controlled by brain. Dear body, I love you because you are a lovely partner who respond my command, and more precious than gold or diamond. Mrs. Kalyani PR. Dear body, I love you because the gift of Almighty to keep our soul safe. It's our duty to protect it and save. Body helps us to survive in this beautiful earth. With that we feel and do everything and makes our life worth. It's our primary duty to keep it fit, but when we realize and start caring, troubles we meet. From cradle to a grave, we should take care of our body. Good exercise, healthy food help to lead our life gladly. Healthy mind lives in a healthy body, so keep healthy. Happiness in every deed makes us feel rich and wealthy. Money never nurtures our body and save. Only kind heart and peaceful thoughts help us to thrive. Be happy with what you have. Love your body, which God gave. Eat balanced diet. Keep always occupied. Read good books and have good thoughts is the wonderful way. Sleep well. From all evils, keep your senses always far away. Then there happens a miracle. Your body begins to love you and make you reach the pinnacle. It requests God to give some more time to safeguard your beautiful soul. Mrs. Anuradha. Dear body, I love you because my life with my principle, it may be created by God, but shaped and formed by me. Anything and everything can be done, but only by me. Every step and every second is enjoyed by me. No more pleasure and treasure in the world than the soul in which I dwell. My heartily wish to travel in the world after my silence in the world, in the name of donating all my treasures here. Mrs. Nirmala Nagarajan. Dear body, I love you because this little world did bear me too. My parents brought me safe into. I didn't know that I'll be so. Mom and dad are the ones I owe. As I grew, I groomed as a pet of a few, and though had dear ones around in queue, the friend in me grew closer to me just because I loved me too. How long could this body and soul on this wonderful land together they travel? Numerous ups and downs did they behold, never-ending stories that are untold. How many secrets and how many sorrows, restraints all alone, buried in furrows. The sole proprietor of all the emotions, none could equal the way it performs. Thanks for listening.
Thank you, ma'am, for your stupendous recitation with good pause, intonation, and rhythm. I appreciate you, and wholehearted thanks to all the writers who write regularly. Thank you all.